This video is not just a challenge, it's a real experience. Imagine being stuck in a place where there is snow everywhere, no clear way out, and temperature is being dropped to minus 10 degrees Celsius. No luxury, no comfort, just me, the cold, and whatever survival skills I have. At first, it looked like a winter dream, everything covered in white and calm. But very quickly reality hit. When you are surrounded by freezing snow with no way out, it's not beautiful anymore. It's a survival situation. My car was almost buried in heavy snow. At that moment, I know this wasn't going to be a quick fix. I took a deep breath, looked around, and started thinking about what I needed to do step by step. The first thing I did was to clear the snow around the car. I started with the area around the tires. I used a shovel to dig out as much snow as possible, especially in front of and behind each wheel. Then I moved under the car. A lot of people forget this, but if snow is packed underneath, your car basically gets lifted and the tires lose grip. So I made sure to clear that out too. As time passed, the cold started to affect everything. My fingers don't move properly and my energy drained fast. There were moments where I felt it very difficult, but giving up was not an option. At minus 10 degrees, environment can get dangerous really fast. Your body starts losing heat faster than it can produce. Within minutes, your fingers go numb, your breathing feels sharper, and your energy starts draining faster than usual. And even simple tasks became a challenge. The silence all around, the white snow everywhere, really tests your patience and your mindset. Being stuck in a place like this teaches you one thing: survival is not just physical, it's mental. If you stay calm and think clearly, you give yourself a much better chance. This experience taught me one thing: nature is powerful, and survival requires preparation and patience. I got inside, started the engine, and gently pressed the accelerator. Go slow. If you press too hard, the wheels just spin and dig deeper into the snow. I tried rocking the car back and forth, moving a little forward, then reversing slightly, just to build some momentum. It took a few tries, and honestly, it was frustrating in that freezing cold. But eventually the car started to move. One important tip: keep your steering straight as much as possible when trying to get unstuck. Turning too much can reduce traction. After a bit of patience and effort, I finally managed to get the car out and back on track. Not gonna lie, it felt like a big win in that moment. It's extremely cold outside. Everything is covered in snow, and standing out there for too long is not easy. The wind, the freezing temperature, it hits hard. So I decided to turn my car into a mini survival kitchen. Nothing fancy, just survival style cooking. When you're in conditions like this, it's not about perfect recipes. It's about making something warm and edible. Cooking in a car at minus 10 degrees temperature isn't easy. You have to manage space, heat, and safety all at once. But honestly, it's also kind of an adventure. After some time, the chicken is finally ready. Hot, simple, and exactly what I needed in this freezing environment. The smell of chicken cooking in this kind of weather, it just hits differently. This is one thing people don't realize. In extreme cold, warm food is not just comfort, it's energy. Sitting here eating a warm meal while it's snowing and freezing outside, it feels like a small victory. Stay safe out there, especially in extreme weather. See you all in next video.